Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for another shave review video! We are going to be looking at Barrister and Mann and giving it a shave, and I thought I'd grab a classic red tip razor for today, so let's get started. Alright, we're going to take it from right here because whenever I review soaps, I kind of want you guys to see the process and not just like a little video cut down montage of me doing it. So we recently did a product spotlight on Barrister and Mann and picked it up for our store. Very excited to have it. And I remember smelling these and I was like, I really like that Waves. So I grabbed that for today's shave. And this is a scent with fern, spice, tonka bean, moss, geranium, and sea notes. And it just was one that kind of stuck out to me. So we grabbed this. I'm gonna grab my $30 Badger brush, super fancy here. I always throw a little bit of water right on top of the soap. Just go in and start lathering. Get in it. Get in on it. Just kind of load the brush first with some product and then take it right to my face. And my first kind of mission is to help distribute some of that before I start building. Now I'm gonna build. So I'm not sure if this is supposed to be inspired by the Gillette Cool Waves, because it definitely smells like Gillette Cool Waves to me. I used that aftershave product for years. Truth be told, I've not used a lot of Barrister and Mann products. I've used it just a few times, so pretty easy so far to build a lather. You guys can kind of see more of the behind the scenes how I'm building a lather here. Definitely need some water, which is good. Kind of a sign of a good soap is a thirsty soap. Yeah, very dense. This is a tallow-based soap. Nice. Very creamy, very dense. I can see why people hold it in high regard. Yeah, that smells great. Definitely is reminding me of Gillette Cool Waves, and lathered really nicely. Very impressed with the lather so far. For today's razor, like I said, I grabbed the classic Gillette red tip. These were made in the 50s. It's also known as the heavy super speed, red tip super speed. And I'm going to grab a perma sharp blade and throw this guy in. So because it's a butterfly razor, it's super quick and easy to open it up. Now this red tip razor, we had done a factory nickel revamp on, so it's definitely been redone and it looks beautiful and shiny. Powder coated red tip. Nice. I've got about 3 days of stubble to go through. Yeah, I shaved Sunday morning and today's Wednesday morning. So definitely gave it a good challenge. Red tip's making quick work of this. Soap is nice and slick. Feels great on my skin. I'm going to do something different today, guys. You're going to be shocked. I'm going to do kind of a lighter first pass with very little blade buffing. And we're going to come back, I think, for number 2. I did this on our YouTube live the other day and people liked it, so. I'm deliberately trying not to do my typical blade buff. I'm leaving some stubble on the face. I can definitely feel it. because I want to do something different. You guys are going to be excited. What? Matt's going to re-lather? Here we go. And I deliberately made sure to add some more water right on top of the brush, because the lather that's been sitting in this for the last couple minutes is going to be drier. And it's not bad to have a more wet second pass, second lather. Yeah, I'm really digging the scent on this. For years, I really liked that Gillette Cool Waves, they called it. The aftershave in a little blue container. It's like an aftershave gel. And even when I've gone traveling, I've used that. And so this is definitely in that same vein. Let's do a second pass. We're going to go across the grain lightly. And really just to get that residual stubble that normally my blade buffing would take care of. Well, I'm not going to lie, I definitely felt confident enough to do the second pass because of how slick this lather is and how great my face is feeling. Not to say it's not possible with another product, but nice. Get over here. Red Tip's making short work of this. One of my favorite vintage razors. Red Tip was originally designed for the man with heavy beard, coarse hair. Guys like me. Clean this goatee line up. Nice. I think we're going to call it right there. Feeling good. You know that feeling you get after after you shave and it's been a couple days? Clean, refreshing. Face is kind of doing like a little happy dance. Oh, it's looking good. Look at that. Man, feeling good. I really dig this. I am sad that it took us this long to stock Barrister and Mann. If you guys haven't heard of it, I'm sure you've been living under a rock for the last 10 years if you haven't. But if you're new to the shaving game, if you're new to Razor Emporium, and you're looking for a quality product, I think that the big distinguishing factor with them is just the quality of ingredients, the tallow base, the matching balm and splash for each scent is really great. Ooh, that is super soft and smooth. Look at that. Listen. Nothing. And we haven't even put a product on yet, but you can hear it. That is a soft cheek. My wife would approve. She'd say, cheek kisses for you. Get a little aftershave balm here. I've been using splashes so much. really felt like a balm today. I think it's good to kind of mix it up. And man, that's a nice performing balm. It's not too greasy. Feels like a nice face lotion. A little touch of something there, maybe like an aloe or some kind of astringent. I'm impressed. I really am. You guys know I have access to a lot of product. Everything that's in the store I try to use at least once. This is a good product line, and I can see why their reputation precedes them. Will and his mother over at Barrister and Mann have done a fantastic job with this line. Waves from Barrister and Mann really impressed me today. I love the red tip razor. You know, people always tell me, what's like my desert island razor? I'm always going to say one of the Rex razors because I designed them. But if it wasn't for Rex, we would definitely go with like a red tip. It's just a classic, 1950s, designed for the guy with a heavier beard. You know, they were trying to do the adjustable thing before the adjustables came out. And you notice once the Fat Boy came out, toggle, slim, the red tip, the blue tip for young shavers with thin beard, you know, soft skin, all that went away. They stopped doing those. They just went to the regular super speed. Check it out if you haven't already done so. If you have heard of Barrister Mann, if you've used it, tell me your favorite scent below in the comments. And if you do leave a comment, you are entered in to win this, the official Razor Emporium black and blue t-shirt. Woo! Can't stop touching that face. Feels great. That's all I got today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to Razor Emporium. Please like this video if you liked it. Share it with someone who needs to see it. Subscribe to our channel. Click the bell to notify you every time I put a new video out for you. And we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.